Okay, so here I am, Chris. I'm making this beer called Fire in the Hole. It's a more beer recipe. And it comes with 12 pounds of two-row, 8 ounces of Munich malt, 8 ounces of rye, a pound of flaked wheat, which looks like oatmeal. It's flaked wheat. Hopefully I'll like the flavor. I know I don't like wheat beer that much, but it has a lot of other stuff in it. Crisco, 75, and 2 ounces of Carafa 2. And it also has Magnum Columbus hops and this oak chips. Now the oak chips, I'm going to add, to this secondary, I think, and just to see how I like it, because I don't want to ruin my beer with oak chips. So now I've had problems with efficiency, as you may know, because of my brew in the bag method. So I'm going to try just batch sparging again like I used to, but with the pot, the brew pot. And you and I made a Pilsner with 13 pounds of grain. And the water was 9.5 gallons, which is 2.9 quarts per pound of water. It's very high. So I've made like 4 13-pound grain batches, and I've been using less and less water. And of course I got better and better gravity, higher gravity, but not necessarily better efficiency, but higher gravity. And this one is 1.6066 for original gravity, and that's going to be too high. I don't know if I can make it. So with my method, it's not that efficient. So I'm going to try adding an extra pound of grain. And I didn't have this milled, unfortunately. So I'm going to do it in the Cuisinart. I'm going to mill it in here. And then we're going to go from there. And the hops are Columbus and Magnum. And this is the yeast. It's Cephali 04 English Ale yeast. I'm not crazy about this yeast, to tell you the truth. I don't like it that much. But it calls for it, so I'm going to use it. And then this US-05 I have, it's a very nice plain yeast. It's a California ale yeast. It's, not much flavor to it. I use it in Hapupu, but it's expired, so I can't use it anyway. So we're going to use this one. And then I'm going to try to grind this in the Cuisinart.